Hey everyone, welcome to our video. We're Vanlifers, currently in Australia. We converted ourselves an ex-ambulance 2011 Mercedes Sprinter 519 Blue Tech. We're going to make some videos to show you how to do some basic maintenance on your Sprinter in case you're stuck in the middle of nowhere like we might be in the middle of Australia. Or if you want to save yourself some money not going to the mechanic shop, which can be very disappointing as we found out. We're doing this on Sprinters because they're very popular in the van life community. A lot of people live in Sprinters and we want to be able to help as many people as possible. Today we're going to show you how to do an engine compartment clean with just some basic tools.
So all you need is screwdrivers with different bits, a ratchet, especially the 7 and 8 millimeter sockets, brushes, soapy water, microfiber cloth, and trim restorer with a paintbrush.
Remove the air filter housing by pulling off the intake hose and unclipping the positive battery terminal. Then use your 7mm socket to unscrew the hose clamp on the air hose and attach it. Then remove the connectors and give the whole housing a good pull or push from the bottom to remove it. Next, use the 8mm socket to take off the hose from the turbo. Since you can't remove it completely, just tuck it away out of the way. Unscrew the oil filler tube and twist it to take it off. Then you can remove the injector cover. Make sure to put the oil fill tube back on to prevent dust from getting inside. Remove the intercooler connections by unscrewing all of the screws. That one behind there is hard to get to, the other ones are pretty easy. If you only want to paint the injector covers with trim restorer, you won't have to take them out, but if you want to clean the injector head, you will have to remove them. You're going to need a Torx 20 bit to remove the locking clamp. Once you've removed the screw, give the housing a good pull and it should come out, and that way you can also disconnect the connection to the turbo. Loosening the screws on the downpipe gives it a little bit more play to get the injector cover out. Use your spray bottle to spray everything down with soapy water. Try to avoid spraying directly into the electrical connections to avoid shorts. Then, use a nylon brush or toothbrush to scrub everything down. The brush will help you get into the very small nooks and crannies of the injector head. Also, note the paper towel covering downpipe to make sure that no dust gets inside in case anything gets airborne. Work your way up from nylon to brass to steel and only use the steel brush when absolutely necessary to avoid damaging or scratching any parts. Wipe it all down with a microfiber cloth to get all the dirt that you just scrubbed off into the cloth. Repeat this process for any parts of the engine that you want to clean or you can get to.
Use the paintbrush to work the trim restorer into the plastic parts. Let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Coat all the plastic hoses and electrical connectors inside the engine bay as well. Next, brush it into all the trim outside the vehicle. Here are our before and after results. You can consider doing this if you drive through the Australian desert, for example, which is very dusty, as well as if you want to sell the car to make it look prettier. And also to protect the plastic parts, especially the hoses, which was our main motivation as we're taking it on a long trip around Australia. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give us a like, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at jp_adventures19. Stay tuned for more videos!